Okay, so just a little quick overview of the stereo that Todd from TC Audio in Benton installed into the Ecoboost. Didn't change the factory head unit, although I may have to. It's a Ford fake engine noise being pumped into the stereo is kind of annoying. But let's see what we got here. We've got some custom A-pillars that Todd and his crew did. Very, very nice. Housing a Hertz HT25 tweeter and a Foundtech FR88EX mid. And down in the door, down there, I've got the SLS 6.5s. And then I'm running two JBL Audio 10s. The GTO 1014Ds back there. Just folded the seats down so they can be seen. Then we'll go to the trunk. We'll show Todd's work in the trunk area. They did a fantastic job back here. It's US Acoustics 4080 right there, running the mids and tweeters and the A-pillars. Then a Precision Power 1000.1 at 1 ohm running the subs, and then a Precision Power 600.2 running the SLS 6.5s in the door, and then a Rockford Fosgate 360.3 tying everything up. So fantastic job by Todd and his crew. Yeah, I mentioned the factory Ford engine noise being piped into the system. It's really only an issue at above 2,000 RPM when you're under a load. If you're not under a load, or if you're below 2,000 RPM, it's not really that big of a deal. I'm going to go ahead and use the remote knob to turn the volume up on the subs. As a matter of fact, I can even use the map slot for the Cobb access ports. Here, we'll hit cancel. You'll watch the RPMs. That should be audible in the video. Let's see. Okay, now let's see if I can get it to make some noise for us. No noise whatsoever. Very noisy. I don't know how well that'll pick up on the video, but it is extremely loud in here. Just the subs going full bore with the engine noise being piped into the system. So, like I said, not really that annoying when you're just cruising around. Not that big of a deal. But anytime you've got your foot in it, it makes, it amplifies the factory engine noise that Ford pipes in, which is kind of ridiculous. There needs to be a way to turn that off completely. And I even have the mic pulled in the headliner. That was the first thing I did. Pulled the mic in the headliner. But now, let's see what we got right here. I'll go ahead and get on it a little bit right here. And we'll see how noisy it gets. Very noisy inside the car. Now what I'll do is I'm going to turn the gain, not the gains, but the volume down on the amps with the 360 remote. So I've turned that down. That's in the console. Just turn that down, and as I pull out, we'll listen to see if you can tell a difference. And I apologize, I've got a cold or something right now. It's killing me. Okay, let's pull out of here. Okay, now. Definitely different. Not the same sound at all. Use the remote to turn the amps back up. well, a little difficult while driving. So if anybody knows a solution out there other than changing out the entire head unit, feel free to shoot me a message. Let me know, because this is a little bit ridiculous. Anyway, there you go. There's the system in the Ecoboost.